In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Webhook Secret in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your webhook signing secret and how to handle it safely, so your application can verify that incoming events truly come from Stripe. First, open the Stripe dashboard and check that you are in the correct mode. Test or live. You'll usually see a toggle or label indicating which mode you are in. This matters because test and live have completely separate data and completely separate secrets. Make sure the mode matches the environment your application is using. In the dashboard, click Developers, which you'll typically find at the top right or near the bottom left of the navigation, depending on your layout. Inside Developers, select Webhooks. This page lists your configured endpoints, the URLs where Stripe sends event notifications for things like payments, subscriptions, and invoice updates. Now choose the specific endpoint you need the secret for. Click the endpoint URL that your application listens on. If you have multiple endpoints, pick the one that corresponds to the environment and service you are working with. Double-check the domain and path so you are on the exact endpoint your code is using. On the Endpoint Details page, look to the top right for the Signing Secret section. You'll see an option labeled Click to Reveal. Click that to display the secret. You might be prompted to confirm your identity for security. Once revealed, you'll see a value that begins with WSEC. That's your webhook signing secret. Go ahead and copy that key and store it safely. Treat it like a password. Do not paste it into public places. Share it in messages, or commit it to a code repository. The safest approach is to put it in an environment variable or a secure secrets manager. Remember that the secret is different for test and live, and also tied to the specific endpoint. So make sure your application uses the matching one. If the secret is ever exposed, rotate it in Stripe and update your application right away so it keeps verifying signatures correctly. That's it. Confirm you are in the right mode. Open Developers and Webhooks, select the correct endpoint. Reveal the signing secret, then copy and store it securely. Thanks for watching.